Law Dog reporting live to you in the desert, the Mojave Desert in California, in Mojave, California.
The armpit of society.
Well, it's El Centro is the armpit. That's the armpit of California. Let me tell you.
That might be.
Let me tell you about that shithole.
Yeah.
Anyhow.
Everybody, yeah.
Officer Kern Law Dog reporting live to you with Charles Wallace Hanson IV on the, today's the 18th of November, right? When you're retired, it's difficult to keep track of dates. Let's see, Monday was the 15th, because that's when they had you on the calendar on the handyman incident in Bakersfield that didn't go forward because your attorney's in another trial. Folks, this isn't a ding on our attorney, but I'm just going to say it's a built-in way to fuck clients over. It doesn't matter if you don't give up your right to a speedy trial. That shit's going to get drug out anyway because your attorney... Hold on. It's called continuances and trails, and they trail things. And those things don't count. Those things don't count on the time. But the thing is, your attorney has a right to be prepared. And if they're overworking your attorney on pro bono IDP caseload shit, it's going to be a little hard for your attorney to be prepared. So Charles's attorney's been in another trial, so that's why that case keeps getting postponed. But anyway, it's name of the game. As Donnie Youngblood said, that's how he hopes that everybody will forget. Like in the case of Scrivener. We're not going to forget, folks. Don't forget. Tomorrow.
Bastard child.
Don't forget. Tomorrow, downtown, in front of 1415 Truxton Avenue.
We're there.
We want to hear what Stephanie Childers, how she's going to justify that somebody who penetrated their 11-year-old preteen daughter, how they had mushrooms, psychedelic, that's a choice, folks. Don't get me started on addiction, okay? That's no excuse
What's the mother doing
to your criminal activity. And
you can't get a husband and wife to testify
she's
against
been
each
made
other.
she's been made to stand down. That's why they're probably reconciling, so that exactly she can plead the the fifth. She doesn't have to be compelled to testify against her spouse. But hey, that works both ways, Pumpkin. You're my domestic partner.
Yep.
So I don't know why they issued me with a subpoena not too long ago to testify against you, because that's not going to happen.
Because they're inbred dumb motherfuckers.
Anyway.
I tell you what, you don't go to law school for 4 or 5 years, maybe some of you 6 years, because you didn't pass the bar first time. There ain't nothing like you guys saying, I'm going to go to law school, I'm going to become a judge in Mojave.
Oh, honey.
You dumb motherfucker.
Honey. Wait. They don't volunteer. They get sent. So, who did you piss off?
Who did you piss off?
Isn't that what they always say to us?
Well, that's what they
5 years of retaliation and RICO criminal activity, and then they have the nerve, one of those public defenders that thought that she was going to represent the law dog. Who did I piss off? Oh, so you mean to say that by me exercising my First Amendment constitutionally protected legal rights to criticize and expose corruption and incompetence of public servants who are held to a higher standard is somehow criminal?
Yep.
No, it's not.
Y'all
and
gotta watch
hold
this.
on, this is important. So speaking of that, I'm on my way, as is Charles, to for an arraignment, or whatever they call it.
Sounds like a setup.
Whatever they call that shit, we're going to call it out, yes, because no 977 has been allowed. So
that would go kind of inbred judge.
So that means they want. That means they want my personal appearance there. So my suspicions are, I'm going to call it out. This is how good I am. they're going to waste more of the taxpayers' dollars by issuing me a restraining order,
Oh my God.
preventing me from exercising my constitutional rights.
That's just the wag the dog. We're going to get to the bottom of that.
It's unnecessary that a restraining order be issued because currently a default was taken against me in a civil matter.
Is this a judge or a commissioner?
Hold on. I don't know. We're not there yet. I think it's a judge. Because Kern County Sheriff's deputy came in a Geary who carries a gun and a badge.
Easily that triggered.
Wants everybody
You
to
know
believe.
what I'm saying? Triggered.
Wants everybody to believe that I'm a threat to him. How in the hell am I a threat? By exercising my constitutional rights to criticize and expose your corruption and incompetence as a public servant held to a higher standard. No.
I'm going to expose your shortcomings, bitch.
Honey, let me finish this. So right now, even though I've paid an attorney and I've provided my response to that civil matter that's been closed because a default was taken because they knew damn well we were 3,000 miles on the other side of the country while they pretended due diligence in serving me. Why didn't you just post it on my Facebook? Like, really?
No,
but anyway,
everybody getting posted shit like that all over.
But anyway, no. I'm verified. That's what that check means.
Yeah.
I'm verified. I'm not a fake account.
Yeah.
I'm the real deal.
You know,
I'm not hiding behind
Cayman. She's a law dog.
my
she don't
proverbial badge.
She don't fake it till she make it. You can tell the judge that. You dirty motherfuckers.
So anyhow,
We're almost there.
they're gonna most likely serve me with some sort of cease and desist where I can't inform the public about the crimes against humanity and the RICO activities that are going on in Killing County, Kern,
Don't forget.
against federally protected whistleblowers of RICO activity. That makes us protected.
And you know what? We're protected that way, so you know what that means to you fucking idiots? It means that, what were you just talking about?
I was talking about how we're witnesses, we're whistleblowers of RICO criminal activity.
This is what we're going to do. You filed against us. You know what the best part of this fucking game is? We're going to have a chance to file a response. You cocksucker. You are a pussy.
Here's the wonderful thing.
I can't wait to see your pussy judge. Not a pocket judge, the pussy.
Stop. Here's the wonderful thing about all this. Hey, I want my day in court before a jury of my peers who are going to be smart enough.
Did that handyman give you an envelope?
To see
that handyman gave you an envelope, didn't
what
it?
y'all have been doing, because I can prove it with record, picture, and video evidence. I never made any threats against anybody, nor did I ever encourage anybody else to do so.
Yeah, no, they're just.
Hold on, Charles. Hold on. Charles doesn't even have a Facebook. Charles doesn't post anything. Yes, I post my stuff, and Charles chimes in. Folks, it's a social media count. I'm the real deal. Some of my stuff is sensationalism. Some of it is satire. Most of it is exposing real, legit stuff.
And that's why they're all scared shitless, than you should be, bitches. Look at this bitch. That bitch ain't coming our way, is he? She? Your taxpayers hard at work. Stay right here, let that bitch go through. This is what a felony formation is on a 55-year-old
we don't know that,
55-year-old
I'm 56,
woman.
honey.
56.
They got 2, 3 CHPs, but it could just be for other cases.
Could
honey.
be a shift change.
Could be a shift change.
Could be a break change.
I'm not seeing anything. But anyway, my attorney knows that I'm outside here because I'm not going to sit in there and be eyeballed and
so you get to sit in there
and one of
while
them,
we eyeball you.
and for one of them to think that they're going to be the one. Oh, am I going to get to arrest her?
Yeah.
I mean,
those stupid motherfuckers.
You know what Cayman's afraid of? The truth.
Came in
that
your ass
comes
again.
from a pen and a tongue.
Yep.
No laws have been broken. I never trespassed.
Wait till you see our response, asshole.
Anything that I've exposed has been lawfully
I want to
obtained.
see if you can take down a judge.
Public
because you came to
forums.
the right people to do it.
So Cayman Aguirre used his proverbial badge and his department and your tax dollars to convince the district attorney's office to file charges against Charles and I.
Because he's a...
When the elements are not even there.
And he has a pocket judge that's obviously doing a...
hey, Mary.
Obviously he has himself a pocket judge or commissioner. So we can... once we find out who it is, then we'll work on that judge or commissioner, whoever it is. We'll see what they got to hide, because obviously, again, you don't go to law school so you can make a difference in Mojave, California.
Well, I think some shit's coming down the pipe.
When we find out what you got to hide and who you pissed off, asshole, then we're going to share it with everybody.
Okay, so
and I dare you to order us.
This judge was a DA in another county, I forget where.
Oops.
But wait,
there's more.
He was also a damn DA for Zimmer.
I'm just going to say, hey, you know how you piss somebody off? You Google Corey Woodward.
Okay.
That's how you piss somebody off. And whoever this asshole is, again, you don't go to law school so you can make a difference in Mojave, you dumb son of a bitch.
Okay, honey. So, again, an additional, for me to be served with any additional restraining orders on false and defamatory statements and charges when citizens are presumed innocent until proven guilty is not only cruel and unusual. Who?
Them. Who the fuck they piss off?
What do you mean?
Those people right there. Oh, you don't see them because of your line of sight's blocked.
I don't know. They're trying to get Fly Girl on that. That's not even a scooter. Like, that's just an accident waiting to happen. Whose idea is this? I mean, that's obviously their dial-a-ride. They dumped her off.
Yeah.
They're not even helping her get inside. The other lady's just as disabled as she is.
Oh my God! And they would rather go after the law dog.
Yeah, and of course,
it's gonna be
look, she's still trying to struggle because the deputies that are inside won't get up off their ass. Oh, we did! Yay! We got a hero. They knew we were live. Yeah. That's the only reason he came out.
There, you lazy motherfuckers! You're over there on your devices and shit. Get your asses out there.
There you go.
That old fucking lady.
Yep, that a boy. That a boy.
Go fucking put some handcuffs on the law dog.
Okay, so that.
You dumb motherfuckers.
Okay, honey, are we done? We're done.
Yeah, we got Corey Woodward, right?
Yeah.
And we got Chad Louie. Chad Louie. Okay. I'm not convinced. So that's a good thing. But we are going to dig into that envelope you got before you were
before you were a judge.
Yeah,
in front of somebody who always knows and somebody's always going to talk. And there's even a picture of that envelope being passed off, bud.
Yeah.
And guess who else was at that shindig? H.A.
Salsa. Hey, next time you all see Salsa, check out his shoes. They're all like cockroach stompers.
They don't even squeak anymore.
They don't even squeak anymore. And even though it took them 10 years to get get those shoes to fit. When they don't squeak no more, you wonder who did I piss off to wear.
Okay, honey.
When you're a lord of Bakersfield by proxy or otherwise, and you all doing abortions over there at...
Okay, honey, are we done?
Yep.
See you later. We'll check in with you after court. We'll let you know if our prediction was right, if they're going to waste your tax-paying dollars and serve me with a redundant restraining order, even though I'm presumed innocent until proven guilty. And it's going to be
we get two to respond
a restraining order that says that I can't even mention his name. I mean, he's a public servant.
Oh, no, he can go fuck it. Who are you talking about?
Okay, honey.
I didn't mention his name.
Are we done?
Bye.
Thanks, Carol. Honey.